everyone, I am Alina. Today I would like to talk about World Nature Conservation Day. World Nature Conservation Day is observed on July 28 annually. It is observed to spread the awareness about conservation of nature and natural products. The most obvious reason for conservation is to protect wildlife and promote biodiversity. Nature conservation means prevention of wasteful use of nature. Conservation is a state of harmony between men and land. It means the wise use of the earth and its resources for the lasting good of men. Healthy environment is the foundation for a stable and healthy society. Earth's natural resources include air, minerals, plants, soil, water, and wildlife. Conservation is the care and protection of these resources so that they can be preserved for future generations. It includes maintaining diversity of species, genes, and ecosystems, as well as functions of the environment such as nutrient cycling. Conservation seeks the sustainable use of nature by humans for activities such as hunting, logging, or mining. I would like to conclude my words with a famous quote of Mahatma Gandhi: Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's needs, but not every man's greed. I hope everyone will try to conserve nature. Save nature, save yourself. Thank you.